even though I'm frozen. But I'm safe when you're comfortable. So when it's hot, I'll give you some air, even though I'm hard too. But I'm full when you're cool. Do you understand so far?